Hey guys, welcome to my channel and I have some useful apps for you. So let's start the video. The first one is Fotomat. Here you can scan your mathematics problem and you will get your solution easily and quickly. I have just scanned sine 2a and I got my answer like 2 sine a into cos a, and here I also get the graph, you can see, and you can get the more details of the graph here. So you will find it easy to use. This will solve for every mathematics problem. Like I scanned cube root of 9 and I got the answer very easily, you can see. If you want to change the data, you can change it here by clicking on the edit button, and you can change and you will get your answer. In this app there is an inbuilt calculator which works really amazing, really amazing. You will find it great. You can see there is everything: exponential, log. Second app is BFlat. It works really great. This is same as a scanner, but it works more than that. I have found it. It will automatically select your page and just you have to click and you will get your page ready. You can extract the text from the page. As you can see, I have clicked on the T button and it is recognizing the text, or you can say extracting the text from the page. Just wait for the result. Yeah, I got. You click on the view text. Yeah, you can see I have extracted the text, and even you can create the PDF of your scanned page very easily. Just click on the PDF and you will get exported. Third app is your dictionary. This is very amazing app. You have to just point the pointer on the bird and you will get your definition or meaning of that bird. You can lock and unlock the result. You can change your language according to your desire. As you can see, I am finding the meaning of some words. For example, I point on the slide and I unlock the result. Even you can translate the sentence just by selecting the sentence. By clicking photo and selecting the sentence, you will get translated to your language. You can see it's amazing. And you can also check your grammar in this app. You have to just go in the grammar section. You have to write the sentence there. It's showing is wrong, so you have to click on is, and now sentence is corrected. Even you can learn English in this app absolutely free. Fourth app is WPS Office. This is same as Microsoft Office. You will get here everything: presentation, Excel, Microsoft Word, everything. You will get already created pages and all, you can see. Fifth app is periodic table. This is very amazing app for science student. You can find it convenient for use. You have to just click on the element and you will get every details of that element, like Latin name, who discovered, period, balancing, electronic configuration, percentage variance, everything. Sixth app is Google Translate. This is for those who travel a lot. You will find it on time translate here, you can see, and you will easily get your conversation translated. You can pick auto or you can choose your language. This is enough for today, so thank you, and I will meet you in the next video. So do subscribe to my channel and share it and like it.